Quiet on the set. Here's our roofing. This is 60 mil commercial grade TPO. So what that means is it's a structured membrane. So let's see if you can notice on the side there, see those little whiskers? That's called a mesh. And you could probably see it if I hold this just right. You may be able to see little squares in there. That's the mesh that's inside there. And that gives us some strength against hail, tree branches, things like that. It gives it a lot more strength. So this is what's on there, and this is what gets heat welded together. When you put some heat on this, it'll literally fuse and weld together just like two pieces of metal. So that's what it is. And like I said, this is 60 mil. That's how thick it is, the thickness on it. So, and then if you're wondering what these are, again, this is all commercial. These are your points where you would fasten down on a commercial project. They have these big, what they call stress plates. They're huge, and some of them are barbed. They have these stress plates, and they put screws down to go into the roof deck. They just have them laid out. And then there's more to these. On the other sheet, you'd have lines, and that's where the next sheet would lap over. And when that laps over, that's where you put your welds. So, but anyhow, that's what those are, if you wonder what these little triangles are for. But that's your piece of 60 mil structured membrane. Thanks for watching.